Okay, even though we don't have to do these, I want to point out, because these will come up throughout the chapter. If you had to write the equation of this line right here, what's the equation of that line? Y equals negative 3. Because it crosses the y-axis at negative 3. What's the equation of that one?
0. X equals 2.
X equals 2, because it crosses the x-axis at 2. Okay, so starting at 15, these are all done the same way. Even these right here, I'll do 24. You can do them out of order. You need to find what B is. We know what M is. So, we plug in 1 for X, negative 3 for Y, and negative 4 for M. So the Y is a negative 3, M is a negative 4, X is a 1, plus B. And then you solve it. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4. So all we got to do to get the B by itself, to figure out what it is add 4 to get rid of the negative 4. You get 1 equals B. So the equation then is Y equals M X plus my B, which I just figured out. Remember, in your equation, there'll always be the Y and the X, and there'll always be a number in front of the X and a number added or subtracted, unless there's zeros. So that's how you do all these. And I'll do 24 with you too, so you can just put that one next. It can be out of order. Everyone got 15? Negative 4x plus 1? Okay, the difference with these from the other ones is you can't really tell what B is. It doesn't cross through. That looks like it's 1.5, but we're not sure. That looks like that's a little below a half. This looks like it's maybe 1 3/4. So we got to figure it out. Same way as up here. They give us a point, just like they gave a point here. There's the point, there's the point. So we put 2 in for Y, negative 2 in for X, and then they don't write it, but they give you the numbers. The slope of this line is what over what? Negative 2/3, right? Because they show the rise here is negative 2 and the run is 3. So, for the Y, you put in 2. The slope, M, is negative 2/3. The X is negative 2 plus B. So when we figure this one out, the thirds are tougher to do on a calculator. Negative times negative is positive 4/3, right? If you do it on the calculator, you're going to get 1.33333333. So thirds you're probably going to want to leave as a fraction. Even easier, what is 4/3 as a number? 1 1/3, right? So in order to solve it, I got to subtract 1 1/3. It'd be 2/3, yep. Because if you're at 2 and you subtract 1, that puts you at 1, and then you got to subtract another third, puts you at 2/3. So this equation is Y equals negative 2/3 X plus 2/3. Which it does look like, yeah, it crosses right about at 2/3.